guys, happy Vlogmas day 9. So I'm actually going to school right now because I need to study, and I know if I stay home I'm not gonna study. I'm just gonna procrastinate and like watch YouTube or just be on my phone. And I know if I go to school I have to study because I'm just gonna be like there alone. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to school right now. And I haven't been vlogging since I got out of work because I did not have my GoPro with me, and I didn't really want to vlog on my phone just because it's easier for me to just plug an SD card and just have everything being transferred from there to my computer than plug my phone, plug the SD card, and just be vlogging with two different things. So yeah, I still have to come home and do laundry. Yes, I'm still doing laundry. Yesterday I washed a lot of clothes, but they are still here on my couch, not folded. So I have to fold this, and I have to still do some more laundry. My laundry, I have not done like my clothes aside from my work clothes that I wash weekly. Like my personal, like my jeans, t-shirts, and whatever, I let it pile up for like 2 weeks, maybe like 2 weeks and a half, because it's a lot of my clothes. It's a lot of jeans and a lot of shirts, and I don't know how this got out of hand. So, but yeah, there's like a lot of clothes that I have to fold, so I have to do that today. And I also have to do homework for chemistry that's due today, so I have to submit that. But what I'm gonna just go do is just study my study guide, and that's it. This test is gonna be like probably one of the hardest ones because it's all like organic chemistry, and organic chemistry is a pain in the booty. I'm so annoyed. And then we have back-to-back tests. So then next Monday we also have our finals. So it's like WTF. And it's very, very annoying. But yeah, this is how much I have to study. It's 100. Oh, sorry. Well, it is 100 questions. It's like 193 questions. It's 60 something, 59 pages long, but a lot of them is like drawings and shit, so it's like so annoying. So I'm gonna try to memorize these questions, like read them over and like keep them in my head, because I know my professor likes to use the same questions from the study guide on the test. He'll probably just change like a number or like the compounds, or like the not compounds, or like, yeah, well, compounds or whatever, the elements or whatever, but mainly it's the same shit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to school now. Actually my friend is gonna meet me there at school, so I'm gonna go meet her there since she's on her way now, and I'm gonna leave too. So wish us luck in this test. So I'm home, took my test, did pretty good. Got a A on my test. What else can I tell you guys? I got back home around 7:30, I don't know. Around sometimes I got home and I started to fold the clothes, but I still have a bunch of laundry to get done. Like, well, not a bunch. I have like half of my laundry to get done, which is actually washing right now. And then I have to put it to dry and fold it. It's like never ending. House chores are never ending, and it's so annoying. Now I'm just here because I'm gonna do homework. Homework is 10% of our grade for this class, so I have to do it. Today's the 10th. One of them is due on the 10th. The other ones are due today. I need to put this on because yesterday, this entire weekend, I was just on my computer all the time, and I did not have my glasses on, and my eyes were killing me yesterday. Like yesterday when I was editing the vlog that went up today, I was dying. Like my eyes were hurting a lot. That, and I was also tired. So yeah, blue light glasses are the best. If you work with computers, definitely recommend getting them. Totes. When Joel's not here, he went to Academy, which I couldn't go to because I'm stuck here doing homework. I'm gonna try to get all the homework done today so I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week and just study. So next Monday is my final, and my final is all chapters. Like right now I have B in the class, but that's not counting the homeworks. So with the homeworks, I'll probably have an A. I'm gonna try and add everything, see what my grade is, because this professor is no good. Like, this is his first time ever teaching. The first time he walked into that class, he was like, does anybody know how to use this computer system? Like, how do I connect my computer to Blackboard, or how do I connect this to that? I was just like, what? I don't know, man. I don't know. Are compounds that contain a halogen atom bonded to a carbon? No sé. Bueno, I'm gonna do this and I'll be back later. Okay, maybe not. We'll see. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 9. 9? 10. 10, right? Happy Vlogmas Day 10. Oh my gosh, so happy today. I was actually able to get a full night rest and go to sleep early, and oh my gosh, I am just so happy right now. I woke up happy, energetic. Such a beautiful day outside. It's nice and warm and sunny. Everything is just going great right now. I love it. I hope you guys are having a great morning. And yeah, I'm on my way to work right now, so I just came to say good morning, guys. I'll see you guys after work. Hey guys, so I'm home, and right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some swatching done. So I'm gonna be taking some pictures of light slacker, cold turkey, and I'm also gonna do a live swatch. But right now I'm just eating some cookies and cream ice cream because I am hungry and I need food. So good. So yesterday I didn't vlog at all because it wasn't a good day and I was just home doing nothing. So I didn't really vlog anything. So today is Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. Currently on my way to Walmart to buy some veggies because my husband got sick again. He's saying that he has a fever, so I'm gonna make some caldo de pollo so we can have that too. And it's a rainy day, so that'll be good to have. And we're going to New York this weekend, so he has to feel better, or else the weather over there is gonna make him super sick again. And we have a party on Saturday, so he has to get better. What else? So my giveaway closes in 10 minutes. It's 3:50. It closes at 4. So at 4, let's say, once that is done, I'm gonna go online and enter the names of everybody that has entered on Instagram and YouTube, and we get to pick the winner. The winner will be announced today at 8. I'm gonna try to have this vlog at 8. So we're gonna go to Walmart, pick some vegetables, and go home, make some caldo de pollo, and then I'm gonna go on the computer and edit this video and have it up at 8. That's the schedule, so hopefully we'll stick to it. I'm gonna park here. I'll see you guys adentro. cilantro. This one looks yummy. Nice and fresh. What else? What else? I need some jalapenos. Or just like one or two for me. My girl doesn't eat jalapenos, but I do. I get like 3. Bag. I need some chayote. Chayote is this. I don't know how to tell if it's good or not. I'm just gonna get like 1. I'll get 2 actually. Some people put calabaza in their caldo de pollo, but I don't. I don't like calabaza. I also don't like celery, so I'm not gonna put celery either. We're missing the potatoes. We need to go get potatoes. Vámonos. Vámonos. You guys, so I've been home for quite a while, but I've been making my caldo de pollo, and here it is with all its vegetables and goodness in here. I actually have to try it out to see if it's missing any nor suiza or anything, you know, any flavor. But it's looking good. So now I just gotta wait for my veggies to be nice and soft. The caldo's like really easy to make. All you need is literally some water, chicken, and your veggies. Whatever veggies you want to put in it, you can put in it. And then you just need to use some salt or some nor suiza, and then you're ready to go. Try it and taste it. Make sure it tastes good. And yeah, you're ready to go. So I just tried my caldo, and it definitely needs some more nor suiza because it's a little desabrido. Let me see if I can open it. Wait there. I'll put like maybe like a little bit more. And then you'll get your thing and you mix it in. And I'm just gonna let it boil for like 5 minutes and then try it again. You can't taste it right away because then obviously it's gonna taste good, because since you just added it, of course it's gonna taste fine. So you just gotta let it boil for a little bit before trying it again once you add your nor suiza. Smells really good though, not gonna lie. Smells really good. Please excuse my messy kitchen. Yes, that's a McDonald's bag, and that's recycling, and that's my laundry that you see over there, that door over there. So let's just ignore it. Actually, let me go close it. Now you guys cannot see my messy laundry room. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna like cut a little bit of this onion and put it in this dish, and that's just gonna be so you can add it on into your plate if you want to. You don't have to. I don't know if we're just gonna want to, but right now I'm just letting my vegetables get soft. The flavor, I already tried the flavor and it's good. It doesn't need any more. I already cut the onion actually. Let me show you. See that? I'm just gonna put it here. I don't know if I want to cut the jalapenos or just leave them how they are, and I'll just bite it. Maybe I'll just cut one. Renjel sure likes to get sick right before vacation. Last time we went to Daytona, he got like a full-on fever right before. I was like, well, ooh, this one smells spicy. I should have cut it in circles. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. We'll have circles now because I'm gonna cut it in half circles. And then this one's not half circle because it's already. Oh my god, my mouth is watering right now. I was just thinking about cutting it in circles. I didn't cut it in circles because I had already cut it in half. I was gonna cut it into little squares. So like half of that is little squares and then the other half is just half circles. So I'm gonna put that in a little container. I'm gonna put this in a little container, and I know I have lime. Oh my god. If you love spicy food like I love spicy food, and if you have eaten jalapenos or habanero peppers soaked in lime and salt with a little bit of salt, you know that's the shit. And right now, just thinking about it, my mouth is watering. That's all I gotta tell you guys. My mouth is watering. These are some really big limes. Whoever got them, I don't know, because it wasn't me. That is not gonna fit in my squeezer. So we're gonna have to do it by hand. God, look at this. My mouth is hella watering. And these limes are super big. So it's like, and they're so juicy too. Oh my gosh. I got my sea salt. Y se lo ponemos. Oh my gosh. And then you mix it up a little bit. Oh, my mouth is watering. Hey guys, so I'm done eating. Oh my gosh. One of those jalapenos was really spicy and my mouth was on fire. Alright, you guys. So I have entered everybody that has entered once or twice. Your name will be in here twice if you enter twice. Also, if you enter 3 times, then your name will be in here, but nobody entered 3 times. Everybody entered twice or once. And if you enter twice, then your name is in here twice. Okay? So let's pick this winner. Pick a random name. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? And the winner is dun dun dun. Drum rolls please. Brit Dreams. Congratulations, Brit. Whoop whoop.